depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Well, I think ang approach ko dito is kinda old school. Kasi for me, isa lang naman yung way talaga para maramdaman niyang mahalaga ka. It is just only one way. Pero bago tayo mag-start, I would like you guys to like the video and for support. And if you want to have one-on-one coaching, give us a message para sure natin yung relationship nyo is mabigyan natin ng security. Okay? Anyways, paano mo ba mapaparamdam sa kanya yung halaga mo talaga? Okay, I know that there are a lot of ways for you to feel that na mapaparamdam mo ang halaga mo. I think the number one thing na nasa isip mo siguro is magkaroon ng maraming achievements sa life or magkaroon ng maraming dreams sa life and you think that you will increase your value once na may mga ganun kang bagay or pag mayaman ka, pag the more na gumaganda ka, you feel na parang yun yung way para mas maging valuable ka sa kanya. And that's a good thing kapag shinip mo yung katawan mo in a better way, kapag shinip mo yung life mo in a better way, kapag naging more successful ka, and you did everything that you can just in order for you to achieve a lot of things. However, that insecurity of yours still nagbibigay ng sa'yo, hino-hold back ka para maging valuable. Dahil ang insecurity na yan towards your ex, yung confidence na nawala sa'yo, is kinda a thing na talagang dumurog sa'yo ng labis. At ngayon, hindi ka makabangon at makatayo dahil nga sa pagkakadurog mo nito. And since that time, binabawi mo yung sarili mo, nire-redeem mo yung sarili mo para magkaroon ka at mag-increase ang value mo. But you can't do that easily. And the only way for you to do that is not actually by achieving a lot of things. Although part yan, although bonuses yan. Pero para sa akin, and I think ito lang ang magwo-work para ma-feel niya na mahalaga ka, is once you respect yourself to gain your confidence. And that's it. Once na nirespeto mo ang sarili mo at tinanggap mo ang sarili mo, once na you stop being pathetic and you just choose the right way na self-respect and giving yourself a confidence and amount of belief. But the question is, how can I do that? Paano ko gagawin tong self-respect na to? Hindi ko nga maintindihan kung anong self-respect yung tinutukoy ni Coach Baze. I don't even understand what the hell he is talking about. Well, to be honest, I'm just talking about one thing. When I say self-respect, and the only way for you to do that is first, change the way you believe. Kailangan mong palitan yung mga ways ng belief mo. Kailangan mong palitan yung mga pananaw mo sa buhay na you feel like, kasi ang tao kasi, nagkakaroon siya ng value depende sa opinion niya. Kung mababa ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, yun ang opinion mo, di yun din ang interpretasyon ng mga tao sa'yo. So, kung ang tingin mo sa sarili mo, mababa ka, then that's the way I approach you. Kung tingin mo sa sarili mo, hindi ka karapat-dapat, then ganun din yung iisipin ng ibang tao sa'yo. So, kung gusto mong isipin ng ibang tao sa'yo is mataas ka, or meron kang value, kailangan isipin mo muna yan sa sarili mo para mag-manifest siya. Kusa na lang siya nun na iisipin ng ibang tao na high value ka dahil sa pagtanggap mo sa high value level thing. Ngayon, hindi kita kailangan bigyan ng kung ano-ano mang uri ng malupit na diskarte para maging high value ka. Dahil lahat ng mga yan magmamanifest na lang once na binago mo na ang opinion mo sa sarili mo. Ang value ng isang tao, lagi niyong tatandaan ay nakadepende sa opinion niya, sa sarili niya. Kung ang opinion mo sa sarili mo ay mababa ka, then yun yung magiging interpretation ng buong mundo sa'yo, hindi lang ng ex mo. Pero kung ang opinion mo sa sarili mo is meron kang value, then magmamanifest yan ng kusa. At kahit hindi na kita turuan ng anumang uri ng diskarte, kusa na lang magmamanifest yan dahil nagbago na ang opinion mo. So, the only way for you to do that is just to change your opinion and just believe in something na hindi mo pa nakikita. You just need to believe na tao ka lang din naman. At maraming taong successful, maraming taong valuable. You just need to copy their thing. And I think this is a mind-blowing situation na Hindi mo na pala kailangan magpakalupit-lupit pa na kung ano-ano gawin mo para maging valuable lang. All you need to do is just to change your perspective, change your belief. And once na change mo ang opinion mo, then the self-respect will happen. Magsisimula na yung pagrespeto mo sa sarili mo at magmamanifest na yung mga ibang greatness na attitude at attributes mo. Magmamanifest sila, and you need to trust me on that part. Kasi a manifestation ng mga good things at positivity is magmamanifest siya sa isang high-value human being. The way you interpret yourself. Ngayon, I know na confused ka pa rin kung paano papalitan ng opinion mo, but let us start with this. Mahalaga ka. Kahit yun na muna ang i-keep natin sa ating opinion at i-embrace mo yung salitang mahalaga ka. And that will be the time na mag-change ang lahat drastically and you will improve a lot. And the person or the other person or your ex will give value to you because you value yourself. Kung paano mo itrato sarili mo, magsisynchronize yan. At ganun na mag-i-start yung respeto sa'yo. And once na nakuha mo yung respeto ng ex mo, then that will be the time na he will think about leaving you. He will think about or she will think about, choosing the other person over you. So that would be a good situation. So I think you must change your perspective today. That is a good thing. Thanks for watching.